Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to give you a quick update on crypto.com Crocoin as well as take a look at the overall crypto market as a whole. Without further ado, we are at 11,000 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a loaded lion NFT, and there's many more giveaways to come after that and before we get there. So stay tuned, subscribe now. Let's hop on this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is rebounding ever so slightly, up about 3%, 2.5% on the day, trading at $26,498.43. Bitcoin dominance level coming up a little bit. Actually, it's coming down since yesterday, about 0.17%. We're trading at 48.31% Bitcoin dominance. When you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at about 50.31. Guys, we're not out of the woods. We're not out of the woods, in my opinion. I don't want to be a big bear of the bad news. I don't want to be a mega bear. I just want to tell you what I'm seeing here, and I do not think that we're out of the woods just yet. I will show you guys right now where I think we're going to be headed here. When we look over at the Bitcoin chart, we are capitulating to the downside, but I do expect that there is a chance that we get a little bit of a retest on the 25,300 and a rebound, trap the longs, and then capitulate back down. I do expect something like that to play out. There's a chance of that happening. Also, we could not even rebound. We could just come up to where we are right about now, up about 3% on the day, and slowly slide down, test this 25,000, really depending on the news here, what comes out about BlackRock and these Bitcoin ETFs. That was the talk of the town about a month ago when we were trading basically sideways for 2 months. But if something like that were to come out, then maybe we could have a little bit of the move to the upside. But until then, I do expect a little bit of a slide down. I do expect that August and September are going to be down months. They're going to be bearish months. I mean, so far in August, we've had a relatively bearish month. We've come down about 10% or so, 11%, I believe, since August 1st. And also, I do expect September to not perform that well. September is usually a bearish month. It's usually very, very bearish. I think it's something like 10 out of every 12 Septembers is a bearish month for the traditional stock market. And don't quote me on that statistic, but I believe that is what it is. But I do expect September to be bearish, especially with where we are at in the 4-year cycle when we zoom out on Bitcoin. We had about 6 months of great exponential growth on Bitcoin off the bottom. And now I expect about 6 months of down into the side chop leading into the Bitcoin halving. Maybe even another capitulation. This could be our capitulation though, guys. I'm not ruling that out. What we just saw when we capitulated down to 25,000, this could be the last capitulation before we bounce up. But I am leaning towards more sideways into the downside price action with a recovery as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving. I am expecting that. Over on Crocoin, it's not looking very nice. We have tested a second time exactly as I predicted. I mean, look at this, guys, this chair formation that formed out. I've been talking about it, guys. Check my other videos in the past couple days. I've been saying this is probably how it's going to play out for Crocoin, and it's exactly what happened. It tested at about basically 5 cents, a fraction of a penny off of that. We touched 5 cents. I do expect that these daily candle closes probably come down here. They probably close out these wicks here at about 5 cents. I do expect something like that to play out. But like I said, guys, probably going to be some bearish couple months. But come October is usually bullish. There's going to be excitement for a new presidential election coming next year. There's lots of things coming, guys. There's lots of things coming. The Bitcoin halving. Every day we get closer and closer to it, guys. Every single day. And I'm telling you, we need these moves to the downside. We need these capitulation events. We need the boring sideways chop in the year leading into the Bitcoin halving. This is how we build the hype. This is how everybody leaves so we can have a hype cycle. You can't just have a hype cycle that keeps going forever. It needs to die down. People need to give up on cryptocurrency before we can be off to the races again. That's just how the market is. It is a brutal, brutal max pain market. That's what trading is. It's absolutely max pain every which way you look. That's how people make the most money. That's why you need to do what the major whales are doing, what you need to be doing, what the masses aren't doing. You need to be paying attention to what everybody's talking about, and you usually need to do something like the opposite of what everyone's talking about. Keep that in mind, guys. But guys, if you like these quick updates, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or go to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. And when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're getting close, we are going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each month to one lucky member. Love giving back to our loyal members each month leading up to the Bitcoin halving, guys. That's about 10 months of $500 Bitcoin giveaways. Love giving back to you guys. That's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.